In this video, I will show you how to install Node.js on your computer. So visit the website nodejs.org/en/download/current and you will find the option to download. On Windows, this is the installer. Click here and it will download it. It is downloaded. Now click on the file. Installer is started. Click next. Accept the agreement. Click next, and leave all this as is. Click next, and then install. Installer is started and it is installing the files. Node.js installation successful. Open the terminal and type node hyphen version and it should display the node version. So node version is 25.5.0. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.